Hi guys, today we're going to show you a fake-away alternative to one of the UK's staple takeaway dishes. We're going to prove that being vegan doesn't mean leaving your favourite foods behind. I love to indulge in takeaway style food as much as the next person. It can be difficult to find vegan or plant-based alternatives to my all-time favourite fast food go-tos. Stay at home and cook the foods you love with the knowledge that it's significantly better for your health and your pockets. Want to find out more about the benefits of this dish? Check out our part 2 video in the link below. But for now, here's everything you will need to make our vegan fish and chips. This dish is easy to prepare and really quick to cook, so let's get started. This meal takes no time at all, and if prepared ahead of time, this dish can be cooked quicker than it would take to drive down to the local chip shop. Perfect for those treat nights where you just want something quick and easy. So we'll begin by making a marinade for the fish. I'll be making this marinade using soy sauce, olive oil, some cloves of garlic, and salt. In my case, pink Himalayan salt. Now it's time to add our secret fish substitute. This is banana blossom, a tasty natural ingredient which will deliver on the similar look and consistency of real fish. Drain this, add to your marinade and leave for at least 1 hour. Now for the batter. In a bowl, mix together some flour, potato starch, baking powder and season with just a pinch of salt. Whisk the pale ale into the mixture until the batter becomes nice and smooth, and then rest for 20 minutes. Now let's move on to our chips. Take your Tiba Tempeh block and cut it into chip-like shapes. No right or wrong, just make them as chunky as you like. Simmer your chips in an inch of water for 10 minutes. Whilst they're simmering away, mix together some maize meal and season with some salt. Drain your chips and roll them in this mixture. Grab your marinated fish, dust them with flour and then dip them into your batter mix. Ready your pans and heat up some oil and prepare to fry. Fry your battered fish in your pan for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Then, fry your tempeh pieces, 2 minutes on each side. These should also be golden brown. So there it is, our vegan fish and chips. Still not convinced as to why you should choose this over the local chippy? Make sure you check out our part 2 video, where we'll go through the ins and outs of some of the ingredients and the health benefits behind them. Be sure to check out some of our other recipes across all our social media channels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.